Hi, I'm Dr. Kaylee Sharp, Assistant Teaching Professor of Anthropology Archaeology at Northern Arizona University. I am also the Director of the Digital Archaeology Lab and the Executive Director of the Intensive Drone and Photogrammetry Training for Archaeologists field school that will be carried out in Northern Arizona this December and early January. This field school provides the opportunity to get your hands dirty in a real-world archaeological setting. In this case, you will learn not only the ins and outs of flying around obstacles such as trees, but you will also learn how to prepare and plan a survey project, working with your partners and peers so that you can actually conduct your own archaeological survey. We will also include a week of intensive data processing and photogrammetry. Using the data that you capture in the field, we will come back into the digital archaeology lab and begin processing that data. You will not only learn about several different types of open source as well as proprietary software packages that can help you refine the data, multispectral, standard vision, or otherwise, but also teach you ways that you can analyze this data most effectively. As a member of this year's field school, you will be working with trained professionals who are working in areas such as cultural resource management, heritage management, and even with professional firms that are conducting surveys of archaeological sites, particularly in Northern Arizona and in the American Southwest. You will gain valuable insights based on their experiences both in the field and in the lab. In addition to the exceptional boot camp style training that you will receive so that you are well prepared for your Part 107 exam at the end of the field school, you will also spend a week in the field capturing your own data and learning the ins and outs of archaeological survey as it relates to remote sensing and low altitude non-destructive site survey. The exceptional advantage that drones provide in archaeological research is the capacity to be non-destructive while at the same time precise and informative.
Discover your future in the past, offering world-class field schools across the world. Join us today at Anthropocene Research Center.